Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my supper is udon noodle soup. Soup is miso soup. This is the cabbages, no, carrot, radish, buttocks. I put the veggies in the miso soup. Boil the water. Okay, just a minute. Boil a pack of noodle, udon noodle. Boil it for 3 minutes in a pan. Udon noodle is boiling. Turn off the gas and drain off the hot water. Boil the water 1000 milliliter. Add miso soup, miso paste, tablespoon 3 after boiling the water. Add miso soup and dissolve it in the water, in the hot water. Then add veggies such as buttocks, carrots, and radish. Boil them for 5 minutes. Okay, it's ready for eating. Turn off the gas. Today's my supper is udon noodle soup. I made for 2 persons. I made a mistake. The measures. Oh, I don't mind it. I'm going to eat for 2 persons noodle soup. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu.